Hi there. Slim stock stamps offer a convenient and efficient way to make an impression. These office stamps offer an easy and effective way to streamline your process. Our slim stock stamps provide a hassle-free experience. They work in an easy press and print manner. That means just simply press down to make a nice clean impression without needing an additional ink pad like the wooden handle stamps. With our slim stock stamps, you can choose from 5 ink colors to express yourself in your personal style. Measuring approximately half an inch tall by about an inch and a half in width. Our small slim stock stamps are the perfect size to fit on most forms and documents. Plus, the plastic cap and the compact design on these stamps make it safe to carry in a purse or pocket. Our handy slim stock stamps can make up to 15,000 quality impressions before re-inking is needed. So you'll be able to make lots of impressions before re-inking. When you do need to add ink, you can add refill ink to the ink well inside the stamp. It is simple to do. Did you know that all of our production and assembly is done right here in the US? Get the perfect stamp to suit your needs, fast. At Acorn Sales, our typical production time is 1 business day. This means when you place your order, you can expect to ship either the same day or the next business day. Thank you once again for your interest in exploring our high-quality stamps.